Happy New Year, folks. My name is Imtiaz Chaudhry, and I have a Master's in Computer Science from New York, and I also have a MS in Statistics, and I've been teaching and training for the last 30 years at different levels in New York and Toronto. My major training and the teaching courses were Cisco, Unix, Linux, and Windows. And I've been a master trainer in Microsoft and the others. I'm starting my new YouTube channel. The name is Networkpaths, and I will be loading my first video tomorrow dealing with the fundamentals of networking, because over the years I have figured out that students do have a problem in understanding the basics of networking, especially the OSI layer models and TCP/IP layers, subnetting, IPv4, VLSM, and these kind of things. So the very first thing which I want to introduce or teach or train on the using the YouTube will be the fundamentals. And gradually when we move on, then we will be moving on to the higher level. So I hope that you will find it interesting, and then you will be having the journey with me so that we can go and have a deep dip into the networking. And what we learn in networking is basically, if you look into that, the main job of the networking engineers and the admins and people are to find the best path. And this is what we are going to go, and we will try to achieve how to find the best path. And well, I think this is enough for as far as the intro is concerned. So from tomorrow, what we are going to do is we are going to go and start learning about the fundamentals of networking. So hopefully you will find my videos interesting, and then we will be going together in this journey. Thanks a lot, and see you next. Bye.